Hello everybody, my name is Juminas. We're in here and today I'm going to show you some cool features that you can install in Windows 11. So let's get started. And first of all, you may notice that we have this bar here when we increase or decrease our volume, or even when we increase the screen brightness or turn caps lock on and off, turn the numpad on and off. So the actual program that allows us to do this is some program in Microsoft Windows Store called Modern Flyout. You can download it from Microsoft Store. So let's open Microsoft Store and show you how it is. Let's search in here. Modern Flyout. Here we have a current app. It's in preview mode, but you can still access it if you have a Windows Insider program, I guess. And here we are. These are our Modern Flyouts program, and here we have these buttons that are changed. This bar here to this new modern and guild waking bar. There's another one here with sound bars. You can put it in dark mode and light mode, of course. Here we go, airplane mode. So you download it, open it, and it starts working instantly. Here we are, we put Modern Flyout. After downloading, you run it as startup, system default, and select the default flyout. Instead of leaving the Windows default in here, you gotta put Modern Flyout. None, we will remove all of the flyout. And let's close it. And here we are. Another cool feature that you could roundTB. Another cool feature that you could install in Windows 11 is this round taskbar in here, and it looks kind of rounded corners, and it looks good actually. We could change it in the center, and it will come in here, change it to left, put it again in there. Let us close it. You can download also in the Microsoft Store. Let us come in here and type round taskbar. Here it is, roundTB. But roundTB in Microsoft Store is actually it's downloading. Let us try to wait it. I downloaded it from GitHub, so I don't need to download it from Microsoft Store, but you can download from Microsoft Store to access additional features. And you actually just run it. Here we have it on a tray icon, roundTB right here. We show it. And in advanced features right here, you can see dynamic mode. If we remove the dynamic mode, it will be as a normal taskbar. The only difference is that the main apps and the start button is in the center of the taskbar. It comes with Windows 11. You don't need it. And just remove it, put in dynamic mode, and show system tray, which you can show with Windows F2 as well. But we don't need it. Let us just click it, check it, and here we are with our modern taskbar, good looking taskbar if you want it. Now let us talk a little bit about Windows 11. Windows 11 has been officially released in October 5 this year. And if you try to see difference, for me, difference between Windows 11 and Windows 10 is that it brings a modern interface, a good looking interface, new interface, and if you try to look, some icons changed actually. Here we have a calendar app changed, Connect is the same actually with Windows Insider previews, And we have get started, we don't need it. Groove pad, intergraphics command, we don't need it. The icons that mainly change actually paint, which change. And here we have a PC health check. So before you install Windows 11, you gotta use this app to check if your computer is compatible with Windows 11. You gotta download this app from Microsoft Store. I think there is a Microsoft Store. Let us check it. Store. PC Health. There is in Microsoft Store. A program released by Microsoft, but that is not in Microsoft Store. I think you can download it from web browsers in the internet. And here we have, and it helps actually, it tells you some details about your computer. For example, it tells me like, I used my laptop in less than a year. It's less than 1 year old, my laptop. And it tells you the 1256 gigabytes, which you already know, I guess, 8 gigs of RAM. But this feature with this app is actually cool because it tells you how old is your laptop. If you try to trade or buy second-hand laptop, use the laptop, they won't be able to highlight it because it will tell you everything in here. So let us close it. Check this is start menu, Windows 11 start menu. If we go a little bit down where we are in Paint, PCL, we have Python, which I use, and roundTB, which is the app I use for this taskbar. Snipping tool is changed. By the way, we have two snipping tools in Windows 11. We have a snip, this one, snipping tool, which you can use to take screenshots. Here is it. Here it is. And we have another snip, sketch and snip. Sketch and snip. It just disappeared, but it was here. I'll find it next and give it and show it you in the next video, guys. So this is all about Windows 11, and so those two features of Windows 11 that you could use that will make your desktop look better with a clean desktop like this one. And let us put this click into delete it, but under actually to make our desktop better. So we have our little translucent context menu in here, and with show more options we have our full context menu. But this is better. It's still not enough because we don't have copy paste, which is the main which are the commands we usually use. Here is copy and paste and rename. It looks good actually. So this is all about our Windows 11, and I'll see you in the next video.